Saddleback Mountain can be hiked from the Garden Trailhead via the Phelps Trail in the Johns Brook Valley to the JBL, where the ore bed trail is picked up. Final ascent is made via the Range Trail west to the summit. Saddleback has views of the McIntyre Range to the west, Marcy and Haystack to the southwest, and Colvin and Blake to the southeast, with Gothics and Basin next door on either side.
Good morning. It's February 9th, 7 a.m., and we're at the Garden Trailhead. On the agenda for today is Saddleback. We had a storm about 5 days ago, and Facebook posts indicate it has been broken out. Some successful attempts, some unsuccessful attempts, so we'll see how we do. It's about 3 miles to the JBL and another 3 miles to the summit. It's 15 degrees Fahrenheit. It's supposed to warm up today. Partly cloudy or overcast skies this afternoon. We'll see how we make out. So we're off on the trail. It's Nicole, myself, and Mike, and we'll see you on the trail. Sun just starting to touch the slopes. Phelps Trail is perfect snowshoeing conditions. Okay, intersection with the Big Slide Mountain Trail, 2.3 up that way. It's broken out. Looks like there's maybe an inch of snow on it left, new snow. That trail, don't take it in the spring or after a good rainstorm. It crosses that brook like 6 times at least. Okay, made it to the interior outpost. We're going to take a right, head over to JBL or towards JBL, and then cross the river before we get there. The trail brought us right to the JBL. No other the little spur and side trails are broken out. So I guess we'll go right to JBL, cross here, cross Johns Brook here, and head up the ore bed trail. Saddleback Mountain, 2,000 feet, 3 miles. So I'll follow Mike and head up the ore bed trail. Breaking out onto the slide. This is, I believe, the approach to the Stairway to Heaven. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Starting a big climb. That's the pitch. That's the view behind us. Mike's making his way up. It's like 2 or 3 steps at a time. Replant your poles. Sometimes snow gives out beneath your snowshoes. Nicole's just around the bend down there, making her way up as well. We got plenty to go. Still a long way to go up this slide. No problem. We got all day. Here comes Nicole making the ascent up Saddleback. It's kind of steep, but good views. Okay, at the junction of Gothics and Saddleback, half mile over to Saddleback. We're well over 4,000 feet. Still on our way up, looking down the lower Great Range, down the Johns Brook Valley that way. There goes Nicole. Final ascent up Saddleback Mountain. We got wind up here. Shouldn't be too much further. Coming up the Orbed Trail is the quote-unquote easy way, as opposed to the cliffs on the basin side. Trail's broken out from that storm all the way to the summit. Just some wind drift up here, no problem. Gonna have some massive views. This is it. A little windy. Strong winds. Over there. Saddleback. Starting from the right is Right Mountain, Algonquin, Boundary, Iroquois. Straight in front is Marcy. Right next door is Basin, and over there is Haystack. Out there is Nippletop and Coleman Lake. Just came down off the summit of Saddleback. Don't know if any of the audio was audible. Boy, is it windy up there. Windy on top of Saddleback. Made it to the summit. Beautiful blue skies. Good hike. Love being blown all over the place at the summit. Okay, we just stopped on the shoulder of Saddleback here. Getting ready to do some serious foot sliding. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that's a good run. It's still going, baby. Oh, yeah, oh, don't hit the tree. There we go. Oh, good run, good run. This erratic boulder is so big, it's got trees growing on top of it. It's pretty good sized ones, too. Back at the JBL. Few people sunning themselves on the porch. 3 miles back to the garden. Let's send it. Where's he going? There he is. Whoa, what a jump. There he goes. We're all signed out at the Garden Trail Registry. Saddleback done for winter credit. A little over 13 miles in just under 8 hours. Pretty sunny, warm day. No complaints. Trails are all broken out to the summit of Saddleback. And that's it. We're going to head back to the car and rest up for the next one. Welcome to the post-hike interview. I'm Norm.
I'm Nicole.
I'm Mike.
And we just completed Saddleback for winter credit. How'd it go out there today, Mike?
It was awesome. The trail couldn't have been better. It was packed down really firmly the whole way. So it was just easy snowshoeing. What I liked is that it was like 4.5 miles before we had any kind of serious incline, maybe even more, maybe even 5 miles. So So you knock off a large chunk of the mileage and not really have to put much effort into it, which was really nice.
Yep.
The views at the top were amazing. It was really windy.
Really windy up there. Yeah, we're getting blown, forced over. That was fun.
A crystal clear day. You could see
Yeah.
forever.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Yeah, nice view. We got views of McIntyre Range and the Great Range beyond Saddleback. You hike up, going up Saddleback from the Orbed Trail. You're looking at Gothics half the way. What'd you like, Nicole?
I liked sliding down.
Yeah, butt sliding. That's always a bonus.
It's always the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked. I seemed to do better today at the uphill, the steep incline. We got the elevators on our snowshoes, and that was nice. And I really enjoyed a lot of butt sliding on the way back down too. Didn't really see anybody on the trail today. We saw 4 people at the JBL sunning themselves on the porch, but that was it. No hikers. Didn't run into any hikers.
There was a lady that left just before you guys got here, and she did big slide today.
Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned for more raw butt sliding videos. Other than that, that's it from here. That's it from the garden. Peace out. Hike safe. Oh, short one. Watch out for the tree. Those are hip busters. You don't want that. Oh, nice bank turn. Look out, Nicole. Here I come. Whoa, trees. Woo! Off the trail. Oh boy. Getting out to the slide here. Whoa, deep snow. Good. Slow me down. There we go. Woo! Yeah, baby. Looks like somebody went in there. I'll try not to go in that hole. Okay, here we go again. This is the big slide part. Yeah. Ooh. Kind of went in the snow a little bit. Let's see if we can get back out. Oh, there. Okay. A little more. Caught a stick. Oh. That's the thing with these tubs. They have one hook on the crampon that can catch roots and stuff. Okay, I think we're walking from here.